Right now, I'm going to show you 7 different digital product ideas for you to make money online. And all 7 of these ideas are already making some type of income online, ranging from a few $1,000s per month to a few $100,000 per month. And my objective for you by the end of this video is to leave knowing exactly what to do next if you want to start earning an income with digital products. Now, if you're new to digital products, I do things a little bit differently. But the 2 main benefits for you to sell digital products versus any other type of online business is going to be the fact that 1, you don't have to ship anything. Whenever you make a sale, your product will instantly be delivered to your customer. And number 2, the profit margins are absolutely insane. You don't have to pay a recurring product cost, which means that you get to keep almost 100% of your sales. And when I say I do things a little bit differently, the main point I'm trying to make is that I don't sell digital products on other people's platforms like Etsy. I sell digital products on my own stores and my own platform, so that way I'm building a business that can generate me income long term. So now let's take a look at some different winning digital product ideas for you to make money online. The first idea here for you is custom itineraries. So this brand we can see is all about luxury travel itineraries, which reflects the price point here. And when I scroll down here, I can see that this is a 17-page PDF that really just outlines different things to see and do while in Portugal. And what I love so much about this idea is the fact that these are simple digital products that can instantly be delivered to your customers, but they're also very valuable. And in this example, they're selling each one for $149. And every time they make a sale for that amount, they don't have to pay another recurring product cost. It's just instantly delivered. They made it once, and they can sell it as many times as possible. And if you wanted to do custom itineraries, you don't have to make them yourself, and you don't have to make them luxury. You can make them as simple as for a city. Let's say it's a 1-day itinerary for New York City. I would go onto a website like Airbnb Experiences or Fiverr and find tour guides in that location. And then what I would do is ask them if they have any existing itineraries that you can purchase from them, or even ask them to create one. Let's say, for example, I paid a tour guide $50 to write me up a little rough draft itinerary. Then I made it nice and started marketing it, and I sell it for $50. After my first sale, I'm going to break even, and every sale after that is going to be profit. And I never have to pay that $50 again because I paid for it one time and could sell it over and over and over. My second digital product idea here for you is Canva templates, more specifically for social media posts. If you don't know what Canva is, it's an all-in-one graphic design tool online that a lot of people use, but you can also create templates and resell them. But the great thing is, if you don't know a ton about Canva or how to use it, you don't really have to learn it all and make it yourself. Instead, what you can do is go to a resource here like Creative Market. Now, the reason I'm looking at this example specifically is because it's a pain point category. If there's a real estate agent that wants to attract more clients through social media, these templates are a great way and great resource for them to be able to do better at social media. And the way these Canva templates work is that once someone purchases it, then they're going to be able to open up these templates on Canva and change the pictures to match their own pictures. But the overall style in the template is the most important part and what that individual is actually paying for. And here on Creative Market, there's all kinds of different types of templates, not just for real estate. And over here on the right is where you would want to pay attention to make sure that you are getting the commercial license to actually resell this product as your own. The third idea I have here for you is artificial intelligence guides. Right now, AI is becoming more and more popular, but there's still a lot of people that don't know about it. They don't know what it means, and they don't know how to use certain tools. So a very popular and in-demand digital product right now is going to be something that helps someone learn more about a specific artificial intelligence tool. So for example, right here, we can see this is a Midjourney AI photography masterclass. So all this is a 90-minute class that teaches how to use Midjourney to create realistic portrait creative images, just like these ones here on the product page. And that is just one example for one specific artificial intelligence tool. It's valuable, it solves a problem, and it's very popular in the market right now. The fourth idea I have here for you is a little bit different, and it actually surprised me once I saw how popular this idea actually is right now. And what it is a digital coloring book. And you can see that they're just selling these pages as a printable PDF. So when I purchase this, it's going to be a PDF that I can print it out and I can color it. The fifth digital product idea I have here for you is Notion templates. Notion is an online productivity and note-taking / project management tool that is becoming more and more popular by the day. This is someone selling on Etsy a finance tracker for $9.95. And we can see there's over 1,000 reviews for this specifically, which basically guarantees that this seller has made over $10,000 with this product. And what's really cool about this digital product idea is that you don't have to make your own template all the way from scratch, because Notion has a lot of free templates already that you can add onto your Notion, modify to be a specific digital product, to where then you could sell that as a template like the seller I just showed you. My sixth digital product idea I have for you is tutorial-based ebooks. Ebooks are exactly how they sound. It's a book, but in digital form. But it becomes very valuable, and people pay a lot of money for these ebooks when they teach a specific skill set. For example, this is an ebook I just created recently, and what it is called Online Income Revolution, which is just a step-by-step 19-page ebook that shows you how to create your own online store from scratch to sell your first digital product in less than 7 days. So if you're interested, there is a link in the description for this. I'm selling it for $49 and has a 100% guarantee. And in those pages, I go through each of these steps so you can take a look and decide if it's for you or if it's not. And ebooks are great if you have a specific skill set that you want to monetize on. Maybe you're really, really good at writing. Maybe you're really, really good at playing music. These are all different skill sets that people could be interested in, and you could monetize it through a simple digital product like an ebook. The seventh digital product idea I have here for you is copywriting templates. Copywriting is words that are used on websites, words that are used in ads. All of this is copywriting. So if you can create a valuable template, you can sell that as a digital product, just like this seller right here on the copy bar. We can see that this seller has email marketing templates right here. And when we go to a product page for one of these templates, we can see that this one is selling for $197, and it is a 21-page, beautiful PDF digital download file. Whether it's an email template, an ad copy template, a product description template, or anything else around copywriting, this is a valuable digital product that can be delivered in a PDF format. So now that we've gone through these 7 digital product ideas, I want you to take action on them. I want you to like the video and comment below what you want to see in my next video. Peace.